We have a wonderful presentation by Nanomaterial.
Hello everyone, a pleasant day to all. Thank you for your attention and thank you for giving me the opportunity to deliver my product on nanomaterials on cement. Cement is one of the most consumable material in the world. Every single person consumes around 3000 kgs per year concrete. It is a byproduct of cement. If you consider the last 5 decades, the population has increased by 3 folds, but the cement consumption was increased by 34 folds. It is mainly because of the two countries, India and China. We should not take this in a negative way. They are trying to provide a better life to their citizens in terms of decent roads, infrastructure and buildings. It also helps us to drive out the population from the poverty line. In spite of so many advantages of the cementitious materials, there are few limitations too. Every ton of cement produces around ton of carbon dioxide. It will enhance the global warming a lot. To solve this issue, presently researchers are trying to replace the cement with partially with secondary cementitious materials which are nothing but the industrial byproducts. However, they also have certain limitations. One is the volume is very limited. Apart from that, we have to compromise on some decisive characteristics of the concrete. Thanks for the advancement of nanotechnology which helps to solve this issue in this crucial time. With this addition of the nano, for example, the material is pozzolanic based, it will act like a catalyst, and if a material is hydraulic based, it will act like a nucleus material to start the reactions. We have produced a low cost cement for the beneficial of the greenhouse effect. For instance, the cement bag costs around 450 kg per 450 rupees for 50 kgs bag. We can produce a same cement in the range of 175 rupees. If we commercialize the same product for 350 rupees, including the logistics and branding, we can save 100 rupees per bag. In Mangaluru, there are 20 big distributors for cement and each and every person selling 100 bags per day. If you can commercialize only 5 to 10% of the market here, we can get a profit of 10,000 to 20,000 rupees per day. We are targeting the individual clients, then the contractors, followed by the public sectors, then the construction giants like L&T and Samsung, finally the cement industries. Thank you all. Myself, Dr. Chandrasekhar, I did my PhD in IIT Madras and postdoc from Canada. I am expert in producing ultra high performance concretes and nanomechanics of cements. With this type of products, India in future can be a stand low for sustainable development.
We have a wonderful presentation of nanomaterial. We have Dr. A.P. Achar, the man behind the entire show, posing his first question.
A very interesting project, but my concern is that how do you convince customer to replace the existing cement with your new cement?
First of all, removing the carbon dioxide emission and producing the cement which can have the more strength and durability. At the same time, we are reducing the cost of the project. I think this will help the issue.
If you look at the cement industry in India, I mean abroad also, there are some huge players are there, big players are in the market. But how do you compete with them? Will they not copy your same product and come out with a new cement?
Here the customers are very huge, sir. If you can concentrate only 5% or 10% in Mangaluru population itself, then we can make it out. Even if you see the distributors in Mangaluru, there are 20 big distributors of cement and each and every person is selling 100 bags per day.
I am asking about the possibility of copying it by others.
Even if they copy it, we will initially 6 months trying to develop a relationship with contractors and the public sector people and also the big construction giants initially, and later on we are also planning to have a cement industries. Once we have this relationship between them, I think they will go with the cement, which shows the better durability and strength. And also we are compromising in the cost of the product.
So tell me, how big can this business grow? Because what you mentioned, 10,000 per day and all, is not big enough for an institutional investor to come in and fund you. Or I mean, what is the market size? How can it grow? What is your plan or vision to grow this business?
If we can concentrate on, as I said before also, if we can concentrate only on 5%, we are very much sure that we can enhance complete, we can concentrate on complete Mangalore business. If this is a case, we can have in lakh per day also.
So for that, what would you need? Would you need a production I mean, tell me the business model around it. Would you need to
Initially, we
open a
will-
production capacity, or how would you do that?
Initially, we will have a small industry. We will produce 100 kgs or 200 kgs per day. First of all, we will take it into the market and we will show this to the public, what are the advantages and how good it is when compared to the other materials, and how this material is more sustainable when compared to the other materials. So then we will have some gain, some of the gain with respect to the goodwill from the people. Then we can go with this. That's what I'm thinking.
So idea is very interesting. I mean, it's very environmental friendly product. My only concern is what would be your exact budget requirement? No, you need to have, whether you are planning to have your own production unit, what is the entire requirement to come out with this product?
Project cost.
Sir, initially we need 6 months of time to make into the commercialize this product, and we need at least 20 lakhs to buy all the initial equipments required, and still we have to patent this product. So we need at least 20 lakhs to get into the original condition.
Whether you will be able to use the existing cement factories with your technology, they can come out with the same product. You can sell your technology to them. What is the potential of your technology?
Initially we are concentrating on 100 bags per day, which is very minimum. With the budget of 20 lakhs, we can easily adjust that to produce 100 kgs, 100 bags per day. So once we will go it out with the public, and we will build a confidence for them that our cement is much more better and durable when compared to their cements, then we have a more pitch with us to fight with the cement industries and say that our product is much more better than your product.
My last question, what are your major inputs here?
It's very good question. Here we are using the functionalized nanomaterials, which are very low cost, which was developed in NIT Surathkal. Apart from that, we are getting the industrial byproducts which are free of cost, and even the industrial byproducts that are causing pollution, if we dump that material in that over there. So by using these byproducts and a little amount of cement and these nanomaterials, we can make it out the special product.
See, after hearing you, I am just thinking of theories rather than practical. Whether this product which you are talking about, is it externally tested for strength? Because cement industry means it is strength.
Yes.
We build buildings.
Yes, yes, yes.
So what is, you see, you have developed, but who has certified it?
To be very sure, we have published 3 articles on the similar kind of methodologies, and also we are going with the patent. So once we are going with the patent, I am very much sure that they will have some constraining in these terms.
No, but then you are not sure today.
No, we have the strength with us. We have checked with the strength.
Okay. Now another one thing, you told that you are going to make 100 kg per day. Do you know what is the total volume of cement industry production in a day in India?
In India, presently they are producing around 550 metric million tons per year.
And here one more thing I would say, because I stand with Mr. Alur, because cement industry is a capex heavy industry. So production and then selling it seems to be very difficult at this stage. A knowledge transfer, KT could be a better option. So what is your thought process? Because you are not sure about what you are going to do.
Once we develop the product, we will go and meet the customers directly, and we will present our product. Once they have the idea of it, if they will also know that whether this product is better than other products. Nowadays, I don't want to say here, but the quality of the cement was reducing a lot. We don't want to compromise on the quality, and we will give the best cement as such. This will play the role, in my opinion.
Your idea is fine, but leg is mine. The problem is, how can I rely on the durability of your product? How can you convince?
using some publications, and I will go to the public and show that what is the difference between their product and my product. The durability in terms of product also I can show how good it is by doing some accelerated tests which are available readily. So with this I can tell that your structure can last longer if you use these types of cements
This construction of water tanks
or tanks.
in villages and various towns and all, can it be used in construction of water tanks?
It is very obvious. We can use this in the construction of water tanks. Usually the water tanks, presently they are going for the working stress method. They don't want to have any crack as such. If you use the cements which are having the nano modified one, these will even arrest the micro crack that is available. So it helps to have the better structure in water tanks either.
An excellent product
Thank you, sir.
can create disruption in the market because this is an essential product where common man also has to use this. Again, question is your go to market strategy, need to work on that.
Sure, sir.
No, the product idea is very interesting, and this can definitely bring a revolution in the entire cement industry. My only concern is, whether you can be a wonderful technology transferring agency so that the existing cement industries can adopt your technology and bring a revolution in the entire cement industry. For you to, you can have a moderate scale unit of yourselves to demonstrate the technology, but make your technology adopted on a larger scale would be to have an understanding with the existing cement industry in the country, and then make the entire country environmental friendly cement producing technologies.
So I also request you to do the honoring for the winners of the special category, Dr. Chandrasekhar B from Nanomaterials in Cement.